Zoom's stock could be making a roaring comeback since it began surging after Baird highlighted the significant, underappreciated value of Zoom's investment in AI startup Anthropic, calling it a hidden gem. Zoom invested $51 million in Anthropic in May 2023, when the AI firm was valued at roughly $4.5 billion. With Anthropic now rumored to be valued around $350 billion, Baird estimates Zoom's stake could be worth between $2 billion and $4 billion depending on dilution. This potential value is material compared with Zoom's current market capitalization of roughly $25 to $28 billion and enterprise value of about $17 billion. Adjusting for a $2 billion Anthropic stake implies Zoom's core operating business may be valued near $15 billion. Zoom already recognized a $406.1 million gain from strategic investments in fiscal Q3, which Baird believes was largely driven by the Anthropic stake and boosted GAAP EPS by $1.33. Looking ahead, Baird projects $1.92 billion in free cash flow in fiscal 2027, valuing Zoom at about 9x that forecast or closer to 8x when adjusting for the Anthropic equity value. Zoom also maintains a strong balance sheet with substantial net cash and healthy liquidity metrics. Beyond the Anthropic investment, Zoom recently reported better-than-expected quarterly earnings, with revenue up 4.4% year-over-year and enterprise revenue growing 6%. Zoom also continues to push into AI products. It launched AI Companion 3.0, featuring automated workflows, agentic writing, cross-platform meeting insights, and integrations with tools like Google Drive and OneDrive. Zoom's federated AI approach combines its own models with third-party models from Anthropic, OpenAI, and others, reinforcing the relevance of its Anthropic stake. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.